comparison between fermentation and aerobic respiration. So fermentation, it is one type of anaerobic respiration. So it doesn't require oxygen. So oxygen is not required for fermentation. For aerobic respiration, it is taking place in the presence of oxygen. So oxygen is compulsory for aerobic respiration. Next, in fermentation, only the glucose is partially oxidized. The glucose is oxidized into lactic acid, sometimes ethanol and carbon dioxide. So it is a partial oxidation or partial breakdown of glucose. But in aerobic respiration, the glucose is completely oxidized into carbon dioxide and water. It is completely degraded or completely oxidized. Next, in the fermentation, the end products are lactic acid. In lactic acid fermentation, lactic acid, and in alcoholic fermentation, ethanol and carbon dioxide also. And in aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and water. And in fermentation, the net gain of ATPs, only 2 ATPs. Net gain of ATPs, only 2. Here, completely in glycolysis, 4 ATPs are produced. In fermentation, in aerobic respiration, the common pathway is glycolysis. In glycolysis, 4 ATPs are produced and 2 are consumed. So the net gain of ATPs, is 2 in fermentation. In aerobic respiration, the net gain is 36. So here high amount of energy is produced, high amount of energy in the form of ATP. So the energy is stored in the form of ATPs, but here very less amount of energy is produced. Next, in fermentation, NADH2 is slowly oxidized. The oxidation of NADH2 is very slow, but in aerobic respiration, the oxidation of NADH2 is vigorous or very fast. So these are the some differences or some similarities between the fermentation and aerobic respiration. So it is about fermentation and aerobic respiration, comparison or differences and similarities.